What makes Cully Sully soup so special is the way we make it. I've just got a little chicken soup here, which I'm going to blend. So this has been blending for about 40 seconds. It looks fantastically smooth at this point. So I'm going to pour this in here through the sieve. This is the magic for home. So you can actually see all the bits, this is all about texture. You can see it all getting caught up in the sieve. All that has been left behind. When we thought it was really smooth out of that, now I put onto this. It's absolutely like something in a Michelin star restaurant. And you look at this one, and you can actually see the little granular bits in it. And if I taste it, the texture is completely different. You'll just have to try it at home. So I'm just adding a little bit of garnish veg here, chicken and parsley, but the secret to a super smooth Cully and Sully soup is the humble sieve.